Good afternoon everyone. Today we have to discuss about stainless steel instruments under Machinery Linen Equipment Unit 9. What is care of stainless steel instruments? These articles are suitable for almost all the purposes because they can be easily cleaned, heat resistant and unbreakable. These stainless steel instruments are unbreakable and heat resistant. They are easily cleaned. If these instruments, when storing, these utensils are to be kept dry, lest the water on them leaves a mark on it. What are the stainless steel instruments? Forceps, different needles, scopes, sharp instruments, miscellaneous. Under forceps, artery forceps, thumb forceps, Alice forceps, coaches, towel clips, shuttle forceps and sponge holding and etc. And different needles also undergone stainless steel instruments. What are the needles? IM, IV, SC, intramuscular, intravenous, subcutaneous injections, needles. These are undergone stainless steel instruments. And biopsy needles, liver biopsy, kidney biopsy. And different scopes, blades of laryngoscope, bronchoscope, proctoscope. And sharp instruments, under sharp instruments, surgical blades, scissors and razors. These are the sharp instruments. And miscellaneous means tongue depressors and tracheostomy tubes, mouth gag and dilators, tracheal airway, spatulas, etc. These are all under miscellaneous. This is the stainless steel instruments used in hospital side. This is instruments, blades, spatulas, forceps. What are the principles to care stainless steel instruments? All stainless steel items are heat resistant, anti-corrosive and long lasting but expensive. But it is expensive. Heat resistant means it capable to resist the heat and should be handled carefully. Don't boil stainless steel items repeatedly as they become dull. Don't boil stainless steel items repeatedly and can be easily sterilized using chemicals and by autoclaving. Through autoclaving, these stainless steel instruments are sterilized by using chemicals. Easily sterilized. Always use gloves while cleaning and washing soil contaminated instruments. We must always use gloves while cleaning the instruments and washing soil contaminated instruments. These are all the main principles. First one, heat resistant, anti-corrosive in nature and long lasting but expensive. And next one, don't boil these instruments. And next one, by using chemicals and autoclaving, these stainless steel instruments can be sterilized. And next one, we must always use gloves while washing that instruments. And next, storing properly storing and dry the instruments. This is the principles of care stainless steel instruments. And care of sharp instruments. In sharp instruments, under knives, scissors are the most commonly used sharp instruments. The sharp edges are dulled by rough use, exposing them to high temperature and moisture. Sharp instruments are sterilized by hot air sterilizer, exposing into a temperature of 160 centigrade for an hour. We must sterilize the sharp instrument by hot air sterilizer at 160 centigrade. And next, chemical disinfections can be done by submerging them fully under pure Dettol, other disinfections which are not corrosive. which non-corrosive nature disinfectants we must be used to pure the sharp instruments. The effect of any chemical disinfectant should be carefully investigated before it is used. What are the steps of cleaning sharp instruments? What are the steps? Immerse the sharp instruments in a 0.5% chlorine solution or in 2% glutaraldehyde for 20 to 30 minutes. We must clean the sharp instrument with 0.5% chlorine solution or 2% glutaraldehyde and add anti-rust agent. Example, what is anti-rust agent? Example, sodium nitrate 0.1% if available. Okay, we must clean the sharp instruments with 0.5% chlorine solution or 2% glutaraldehyde for 20 to 30 minutes. Add antivirus agent. Example, what is anti-rust agent? Sodium nitrate 0.1% if available. Remove from the disinfect solution, rinse in sterile water stream, wipe dry using a dry piece of sterile cloth. By using sterile cloth, we must be clean that sharp instrument with disinfectant solution. And next one, after cleaning and disinfectant, we must keep in one appropriate container and store. These are the steps for cleaning the sharp instruments. And next one, care of needles. Care of needles. Under sharp instruments, what are all included? Surgical blades, different scissors and razors. And under care of needles used in intramuscular, intravenous, subcutaneous injections and biopsy needles, kidney biopsy, liver biopsy. Care of needles. Decontaminate all types of needles attached to syringe and flushed with 0.5% chlorine, chlorhexidine or hypochlorite solution. 0.5% chlorine or chlorhexidine or hypochlorite solution we must be used to clean or to sterilize the needles. And next one, destroy the needle still attached to syringe with the needle destructor and throw into a puncture proof container. And after injection, we must be destroy the needle with needle destructor and throw into a puncture proof container. Send the puncture proof container for incineration. Send the puncture proof container for incineration. This is the how to care the needles. The first one, all types of needles should be flushed with 0.5% chlorine or chlorhexidine or hypochlorite solution. And next one, we must be destroy the needle with needle destructor and throw into a puncture proof container. Send the puncture proof container for incineration. If the needles are reusable, if the needles are disposable, we must throw, or we use needle destructor and to destruct that needle. But if the needles are reusable in liver biopsy and all, if the needles will be reusable, we must separate cannula and stilette, flush with disinfectant solution. We must use disinfectant solution to wash that reusable needles. Wash with soap water and rinse in running water. Dry pack and send needles for autoclaving, and after that we must send that needles to autoclaving. This is liver biopsy needle. Care of other instruments. Other instruments means OT instruments. In operation theatre we used a wide variety of instruments in operation theatre which may be dangerously contaminated. The soil instruments may be opened with gloved hands and dropped them into a basin or bucket. If rinse the instruments thoroughly with cold water to remove the blood and other organic material. We clean the instruments with sodium carbonate solution 2% and hot water. All instruments should be examined for its cleanliness and orderliness before they are sent to sterilization. Before the instruments send them to sterilization, we must be cleanliness and orderliness we must examine. Those instruments which are not clean should be treated separately. Abrasive and soap tend to remove the protective film of corrosion resistant metal put on by the manufacturer, and the removal shortens the life of the instruments. This is the how to care the instruments. Autoclaving is the best method of sterilization. If autoclaving is not available, then boiling can be done. Steam under pressure should be used to sterilize instruments whenever possible. When the steam under pressure is not available, boiling water is the best agency for sterilizing instruments. The longer the boiling period, the likelihood that all organisms will be killed. So, if the steam under pressure is not available, we must use boiling water for sterilizing the instruments. Care of glassware. Care of glassware. Care of glass instruments. When buying glassware, it is important to select a hard glass that is resistant to heat and mechanical shock. We must select hard glass which is resistant to heat and mechanical shock. Facilitate cleaning. The glassware should have a hard, smooth surface. Ground glass very susceptible to erosion by water or steam. When the glass goods are sent for autoclaving or boiling, should be adequately padded to prevent breaking by rubbing with hard surfaces. Next one, it should be sterilized with dry heat. To avoid abrasions and erosions, we must be clean with a smooth surface. The glassware should be cleansed with a smooth surface to avoid abrasions and erosions. Care of glass syringes. Syringes are expensive and common item of the glassware used in the hospital. Rinsing immediately after use to prevent the pistons sticking to the barrels, thus prolonging the life of syringes. Syringes are more expensive and more common item to used in hospital in everywhere. If the syringe will be broken, the droplets will form. Exposure of the glass to sudden variations of temperature is likely to cause crack in the glass. When sterilizing glass containers, they are to be kept inverted in the autoclave. By autoclaving method, these glass instruments should be sterilized. Sterilization by hot air is the best method of sterilization of glass syringes. The important points to remember to care of glass instruments are mainly after use cold water is forced through the needle with the syringes. After used syringes, reusable syringes, we must be cleaned with cold water forced through the needle. It will clean that syringe with blood. Again wash it with warm water. After cold water, again wash it with warm water. If the needles are blocked, wire stillers are used to remove. Needles are sterilized for 10 to 20 minutes. These needles will be sterilized for 10 to 20 minutes. This is the glassware instruments. Glassware instruments. What are under? Sterile steel, stainless steel instruments. Stainless steel utensils are suitable for almost every other purpose because they are easily cleaned, heat resistant and unbreakable. If we store that instruments, utensils are to be kept dry lest the water on them leaves a mark on it. And we see in list of stainless steel instruments: forceps, needles, scopes, sharp instruments and miscellaneous. And after that there are some principles of stainless steel instrument care. What are they? Stainless steel items are heat resistant, anti-corrosive in nature and long lasting but expensive. And do not boil stainless steel items repeatedly as they get dull. And easily it should be sterilized by using chemicals or by autoclaving. Always use gloves while cleaning and washing soiled or contaminated instruments. After that, we see in care of surgical sharp instruments. Under surgical sharp instruments, surgical blades, different scissors and razors are. The knives and scissors are the most commonly used sharp instruments. What are the steps? Sharp instruments should be cleaned with 0.5% chlorine solution or 2% glutaraldehyde for 20 to 30 minutes. And add anti-rust agent. What is anti-rust agent? Sodium nitrate 0.1%. After that, remove from the disinfectant solution, and then these instruments should be rinsed in sterile water steam, wipe dry using a dry piece of sterile cloth, and it be stored in a appropriate container. And after that, care of needles. If reused needles will be there, the type of needles attached to syringe and flush with 0.5% chlorine solution or chlorhexidine or sodium hypochlorite immediately after use. Discard the disposal injection needles with the needle destructor. Okay, and next one, flush biopsy needles with 0.5% chlorine solution, wash with soapy water and rinse in running water. Dry them, pack and send them for autoclaving. And after that, care of other instruments. The other instruments are undergone OT instruments, operation theaters. The instruments which are used in operation theater should be sterilized, and this is highly dangerously contaminated. We must use autoclaving for these instruments, OT instruments. And after that, glassware instruments. What is glassware instruments? When buying glassware, it is important to select a hard glass that is resistant to heat and mechanical shock. What is the purpose of glassware instruments? To prevent spread of infection. To clean glass instruments, what is the purpose? To prepare for safe reuse, to prevent damage to the item and to prolong its life. Care of thermometer. This is also important. As a nurses, we use thermometer in clinicals for. What is the purpose of thermometer? Checking temperature. Care of thermometer. How to care that thermometer? Remove the thermometer from antiseptic solution, and after that wipe it and dry from bulb to stem with a dry cotton ball before using. Before using, we must be clean the thermometer with cotton ball from bulb to stem. And then clean the thermometer from stem to bulb after use. Before using, bulb to stem, and after using we must clean from stem to bulb. Using a wet soapy cotton ball in a circular movement. Through circular movement we must clean the thermometer from stem to bulb. After that, raise the thermometer holding from the stem with bulb downward under running water. Under running water we must clean with under running water. This thermometer should be cleaned under running water. After that, immerse the thermometer in a disinfectant solution as per hospital policy. Store in dry container and screw the cap. Use disposal sleeve for electronic thermometers and wipe probe with 70% alcohol. Okay, when we wipe the thermometers, we must use dry cotton swab. Before storing them in the container, we must wipe the thermometers with dry cotton swab. This is not in syllabus, but I'll explain. It is because it is more important. As a nurse, we know how to clean thermometer and what is the purpose of it. Okay. From until now, we discuss in machinery equipment linen. Under machinery equipment linen, we discuss about care of linen and care of rubber goods and care of stainless steel instruments and care of glassware. In next class, we learn about indent, inventory and maintenance. Once go through this topic, once see in your textbooks. Thank you.